Hey everyone, it's Joanne. I did not expect something this small to be this useful, but wow. So I received these mini Impossibly compact travel wipes from the brand. So if you're someone who's constantly on the go, like a mom, like travel days, you go to the gym, or just life, moments happen, and then you never leave home without these. So you get actually 10 packs. There's 6 rags in each. They're ultra compact. The packages are smaller than the size of a credit card. You can just easily slide them into your purse, your pocket, your gym bag without any space wasted. But the wipes themselves, they're full size and they're thick and they're durable. These are not flimsy ones that you get from the dollar section. These are a nice size. They're nice and moist. They don't have a bad smell. They're not overwhelming. They're almost 100% water and aloe, so they stay super gentle. I've used them on my hands, my face, and even a quick freshen up. These feel clean. They feel soothing, but they're never sticky. They're not irritating. They're perfect for sensitive skin and safe for all ages, including babies. These wipes are super practical and easy, whether it's a quick cleanup, travel emergency, staying fresh throughout the day. I keep one in my purse. I keep one in the car. I keep one in my travel bag because once you start using these, you will always want one nearby. They have a quick seal, so you just pop it open whenever you need one, and it pops right out. They're so compact and travel friendly. They are thick. They're durable wipes. They don't tear easily. I like that they are gentle. I like that they have an hypoallergenic formula, so it's great for the sensitive skin. These are perfect for everyday use, for travel, for busy lifestyles. They're great to have with you all day, and the compact packaging makes them easy to keep in your purse or your pocket or your gym bag. I love them.